Okay, I had a customer that had some problems attaching the panels to his helmet, and I suggested trying to put tape or clamp it before the glue is totally dry. Yeah, to help it stick to the helmet, or you can bend it so it doesn't flex back, so it's going to be easier to glue or attach to the helmet. So right now I'm going to show you how to bend these panels to the contour of the helmet using a very simple process, just using a blow dryer, and basically that's it. So turn on the blow dryer. Okay. Hold the panels because it's gonna fly off. So yes. So the trick is evenly hitting the panels, okay? You don't concentrate on one area. I mean, if you concentrate on one area, that area will gonna be hot, very hot, and then when you try to bend it, it's gonna fall on that area. Let me show you. So I repeat, don't do this, okay? Don't concentrate on one area. Because this is what's gonna happen. When you bend it like this, see? It's gonna fold on this one. It's gonna create a crease, okay? And sometimes, I mean, you can take that crease off by, again, using the blow dryer, but sometimes that crease will be permanent, okay? So don't do that, okay? So again, okay, I have a new panel here. The trick is evenly heating it up, okay? So which way do I bend it, okay? Again, the rough edges, okay, sticks to the helmet. So the smooth one should be facing out, okay? So it should be bent like this, okay? So let's try it again. And when you think it's hot enough, I mean, you can actually, bend it a bit like this, okay, while using the blow dryer. Again, the trick is not overdoing it. If you overdo it, okay, it will bend so much, and then you'll have the same problem. It's gonna flex inward, okay, and then again you'll have problems gluing it. Okay, hold on. So just a few minutes with the blow dryer, and I guess that's it. I mean, that should be enough. Okay, maybe a bit some more. Yeah. There you go. I mean, it's a bit bent. That's how much maybe you can bend it a bit. Again, the trick is just follow the contour of the helmet, okay? Not so much. For the other panels, like this is for the REN conversion kit, and this one is for the what is this for? Oh, this is the Boba Fett conversion kit. I suggest that you bend it, okay? Because the it has a bigger area, and the shape is a bit more complicated, so it's going to be difficult to align. So yes, I suggest doing the same thing and then try to bend it. I mean, like this one. Okay, that's it. If you have any questions, just send me an email. Thank you.